Hey marketers, welcome back to the channel where we help you master the art of digital marketing. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic that every YouTuber needs to know, YouTube SEO. That's right. If you want your videos to rank higher, get more views, and grow your audience, this video is for you. Stick around, because I'm about to share the best YouTube SEO tips that will take your channel to the next level. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you've got to optimize your video title. And no, I'm not just talking about making it sound catchy, I'm talking about using targeted keywords that your audience is actually searching for. Why does this matter? Well, YouTube is a search engine, the second largest in the world after Google. When people search for videos on YouTube, the algorithm tries to match their search queries with relevant content, and the title is one of the biggest signals YouTube uses to understand your video. So, here's what you need to do. 1. Research popular keywords in your niche using tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue. 2. Incorporate those keywords naturally into your title. For example, instead of how to get more views on YouTube, you could use something like best YouTube SEO tips to get more views fast. Don't just write for people, write for the YouTube algorithm too. Next up, your video description. A lot of creators overlook this, but it's a goldmine for SEO. Your description helps YouTube understand what your video is about, so don't waste it. Here's what you should do. Write at least 200 words explaining your video content. Front-load your description with important keywords. For example, in this video, I'm sharing the best YouTube SEO tips for marketers. Include related keywords and even hashtags to increase your chances of appearing in search results. And don't forget to add links to your other videos, website, or social media to keep viewers engaged. The more YouTube understands your video, the better chance it has to rank higher. Now let's talk about tags. Some people say YouTube tags aren't that important anymore, but trust me, they still play a role in SEO. YouTube uses tags to figure out the context of your video. The trick here is to use a mix of broad and specific tags. Broad tags, think general terms like YouTube SEO or digital marketing. Specific tags, these are more targeted, like how to rank YouTube videos in 2024 or YouTube SEO for beginners. Pro tip, use the tags that your competitors are using on similar videos. You can easily find this info using a tool like Vidicue. This way you can stay ahead of the competition. Let's not forget about the visual appeal of your videos. Your thumbnail is super important when it comes to ranking. A well-designed, eye-catching thumbnail boosts your click-through rate, which signals to YouTube that people are interested in your content. A higher CTR equals higher ranking. Here's what works. Bold, readable text that clearly states what the video is about. Bright, contrasting colors that pop on the screen. A clear, high-quality image that conveys the video's message at a glance. Remember, you're not just competing against other videos, you're competing for attention, so make your thumbnails impossible to ignore. The next key to YouTube SEO is audience retention. YouTube wants to keep people on their platform, so the longer your viewers stick around, the better your chances of ranking. Here's how to boost your retention rate. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Tell them exactly what they'll get if they keep watching. Keep your content engaging and concise. No rambling. Use graphics, animations, or cutaways to break up the video and keep it visually interesting. And don't forget engagement. Likes, comments, and shares tell YouTube that people are interacting with your video. Encourage viewers to drop a comment or hit that like button if they're enjoying the content. Alright, those are the best YouTube SEO tips to help marketers like you grow your channel and get more views. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more tips like these. And hey, share this with a fellow marketer who needs a little SEO boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll